Your complete guide to compression socks. Possibilities are you end up here looking for compression socks as your doctor has ordered you to do so, or because your running buddies are always raving about the great advantages of compression socks. It is okay if you are new to the world of compression. We are here to offer you with sock guidance and tell how the advantages of compression socks have helped several people, from the athletes to the elderly and everyone in between. What exactly are compression socks? Let us begin with the fundamentals. What exactly is the purpose of compression socks? An advantage of compression socks from popular compression socks manufacturer is that it wraps up around the ligament, tendons, and muscles in the arms, calves, ankles, and feet, and is made of a combination of fabrics like polyester and nylon. This serves the purpose of perking up the entire blood flow and circulation to your body and limbs. They are a particular kind of stocking that usually wraps around your calves, ankles, and feet. This is done by putting a few compression levels to the planned regions that they fit around. How does the technology of compression work? Another advantage of compression socks is that it is built with unique technology, and science refers to the procedure of putting pressure on certain regions of the body to aid boost circulation and blood flow. It is used to deal with issues with inflammation, swelling, poor circulation due to injury. By escalating blood flow, more oxygen-enriched blood is carried all through the body effectively, and broken down soft tissue is then capable of fixing itself more rapidly. Most compression items you will see in the market provide graduated compression technology. Graduated compression means there is no more strain in a particular region, and as the sock fabric moves nearer to the heart, the strain decreases. Thus, for compression socks, for instance, there is more strain put near the ankles and feet, and as the sock moves up the calf, the strain lessens. Business owners, if you want to deal in compression socks as well, then get in touch with one of the reliable wholesale sock distributors to source your product. Go through the collection and place your bulk order to the support team, your complete guide to compression.